Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you the world's cutest screwdriver. All cuteness aside, this is a really practical tool from Klein. This is a stubby screwdriver, and it is perfect for really tight spaces where a regular size screwdriver will not fit. So this is a number 2 Phillips head, and despite its small size, this is a very strong and durable tool. So Klein is known for their very high quality tools, and this one is no different. It's made from a really durable steel and other materials and is not going to break down easily. We really like this one because it is so strong, even though it's really small. So even if you have to put some pressure on it, whatever you're doing, it's not going to break down on you, and it also gives you a really great grip. So even in a small space where you don't have a lot of leverage, this handle is really grippy and allows you to have a firm hold on it so you know it's not going to slip or fall out of your hand. So this is just a really useful little tool that definitely has come in handy for all kinds of things. We use it all the time for different projects, for putting things together, and it definitely has been a great addition to our workshop. So if you're looking for a little short stubby screwdriver like this, then definitely check out this one from Klein. That's my point of view.